get into this definition, y'all. Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. It's NowIamNappy, and I'm back with week 8 of our 8-week Ayurvedic hair challenge. This is it, y'all. This is the final week. I can't believe it flew on by. And let me tell you, I feel like my hair has thrived over the weeks. We had so many different treatments we tried, from clay masks to strengthening treatments, moisturizing treatments, oil treatments, and it was such a wonderful ride. My hair is thriving from this, and so I'm really looking forward to actually finishing this week off with some moisture. Last week we did some strengthening treatments to our hair. Even though that strengthening treatment has a perfect moisture and protein balance, because like a lot of y'all stated in your comments and your reviews, that strengthening treatment delivers moisture, okay? But I felt like what better way to end this challenge than with a moisturizing treatment. I chose some of my favorite herbs like amla, fenugreek, rose, hibiscus, and of course to blend them into a honey mask. Now of course I'm going to talk to you about all of the amazing properties of each of these herbs while we apply the mask to our hair. So let's just hop right into it for our DIY hair mask. Now y'all could do this as either a pre-poo treatment, or you can do this as a post-poo, or like your final treatment, because y'all, one thing I promise you, is gonna deliver some moisture, okay? All right, y'all, so y'all know we're going to begin with a double boiler method. We're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of amla powder. Go ahead and pour that in there, and then 1 tablespoon of rose powder. Rose has so many benefits for softening the hair. I'll talk a little bit more about that later. Next up is aloe vera powder. I really love aloe vera in the powder form right now. Followed up with hibiscus. Y'all know hibiscus has so many benefits: antifungal, antibacteria, and also some conditioning and light, gentle cleansing properties. So next up is fenugreek. Y'all know fenugreek is going to give a little bit of slip. I'm going to go in with half a tablespoon of fenugreek, followed up with my good old neem powder. Y'all know, again, we're also going to just add half a tablespoon as well. All right, next we're going to go in with our humectants. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of honey. Now y'all, the honey is what's going to really zhuzh this up, so to speak. It's really going to add in moisture. But if you're saying, you know what, hey, my hair hates honey, I got y'all, okay? You can definitely try either coconut milk or Greek yogurt to this mixture. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. We learned that's a ceramide oil, really great for the hair. 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and 1 tablespoon of my Stimulating Ayurvedic Oil. Y'all know I had to throw that in there, of course. All right, we're gonna give that a whirl. Go ahead and get those herbs and oils mixed together. And then y'all know I had to pull out the secret weapon. Y'all know I had to pull out the moisture, and I'm talking about my oat and aloe deep conditioner. This is really going to just add an additional layer of moisture. Y'all already know how I feel about this on its own, but really adding these conditioning herbs is just going to take it to another level. So go in with about 3 teaspoons of the oat and aloe deep conditioner. Right, stir it up. The mixture is going to be a little bit thick, but don't worry, keep stirring until it becomes more uniform. If you feel like the mixture is still a little bit thick, you can go in like I did with a precisely measured tablespoon of rosewater. That's sarcasm, y'all. Just add it until you like the consistency of the mixture. All right, continue stirring. Look how beautiful this is. This is so nice, rich, and creamy, and it's going to do our hair some serious wonder. I'm actually just going to run warm water over my hair and then come back for you guys to apply the mask. Okay, you guys, I'm just separating my hair in preparation for this treatment. Now, y'all, the reason I did not shampoo my hair is because I used hibiscus in this mixture, and I was kind of looking for gentle cleansing properties while I conditioned my hair, and hibiscus has wonderful gentle cleansing properties. But not only that, it really also helps to stimulate hair growth, along with gently conditioning the hair. It doesn't strip away all your natural oils from your hair, and can help treat dandruff and an itchy scalp. Can we just take a moment real quick to appreciate the length and thickness of my hair right now? It's definitely grown a lot since the start of this year, and I am so proud of how healthy and well it's growing. And the next herb I'm going to talk about is one that we don't talk about too often, and that is rose powder. So rose petal powder is also a gentle cleanser. It helps to remove any extra sebum and dead skin, but it also provides a nice coating and layer of moisture to the hair strands. It's also something that helps to relieve dandruff, improve blood circulation, and keeps your hair and scalp hydrated and happy, and can improve hair growth. Now, y'all know I have a ton of videos about amla powder, but amla is rich in vitamin C and really great for fighting hair fall and encouraging hair growth, as well as it also helps to define your curls. So y'all will see at the end of this video how well my curls are defined because of this mask. So I'm laughing at this clip now because I was talking trash to my husband. He was trying to get me to give him my flip-flops, or technically his flip-flops that I was wearing. Lastly, I want to talk about honey, because honey was really the key ingredient in this mask, y'all. Now, y'all, I've actually have 2 other honey videos on my channel. So y'all know I use honey religiously to really bring back moisture into my hair. Now, honey can also help to moisturize dry hair and scalp. And because it's rich in antioxidants, it is a great way to naturally heal the scalp. I mean, seriously, y'all, just take a look at what honey's doing to my hair. Now, I'm sure it's a combination of everything, but look at those curls. Look at those curls, y'all. Super hydration and moisture. Let me know down below if you've used honey before. Alright, leave this mixture on for about 30 minutes, maybe up to an hour with a hot cap or with steam. Feel free to wet your hair a little bit if you need to help enhance the curls. Sometimes this can get a little bit sticky, but adding a little bit of water will ease your application. Okay, y'all, so I left this on for maybe about an hour, and I actually just used a hot cap with it, and my curls are defined. Y'all already know, like, y'all should already know. This is the way you want to end an Ayurvedic challenge, by having super moisturized and defined hair. Can y'all see these curls, y'all? Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Get into this definition, y'all. Look at that. And even my curls are like elongated. I know amla definitely has that effect in my hair, but also just a lot of moisture really aids in my curls being hydrated and very defined. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Y'all, I'm obsessed. And you see that spring back? You see that spring back? Y'all see it. I know y'all see it. This challenge has been absolutely one of my this challenge has been absolutely one of my favorites, and I really hope you guys enjoy this moisturizing mask, because it will leave you with some really great results, really great definition and moisture in your hair. My hair feels really soft, light, and clean, most importantly. So okay, so let's go ahead and get our hair ready for the week. Okay, you guys, but that's it for this week. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this 8-week challenge. Now, of course, y'all know this final giveaway is going to be a little bit extra. So I'm going to be giving away my oat and aloe collection. I'll be including the strengthening hair mask in that. Again, I'll pick winners on Instagram under the NIAN Ayurvedic Hair Challenge hashtag, and then I'll pick a winner, of course, in the YouTube comments. Thank you guys for joining me. We will definitely be live again on Sunday at 1:30 p.m. I am enjoying our chats so much, so definitely catch me there. I'll pick winners there as well. Also, be sure to leave me any suggestions for future upcoming challenges that you would like to do. We kind of mentioned maybe doing like a massage challenge, because a lot of us were forgetful about massaging our scalp, and we know there's so many benefits of scalp massages. But yeah, on Sunday we'll chat a little bit about all of that. We'll also talk about your experiences, maybe what you enjoyed the most about the challenge, what you learned maybe about your hair growth. But that's it for this week. If you guys have any other questions, leave it in the comment section. But I'll see you next time. Bye.